आज सुंदरता दुल्हन बनी है, कोई किस्मत का कितना धनी है। मुंह दिखलाने की खातिर दिल क्या जान भी है हासिल। बादलों को मोर देखा, चांद को चकोर देखे, तुझको नसीबों वाला। ओ घूंघटे में चंदा है फिर भी है फैला, चारों ओर उजाला। होश न खुद कहीं जोश में देखने वाला, होश न खुद कहीं जोश में देखने वाला। Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I wanted to narrate the Hindi version of Good Will Hunting. There's this beautiful scene where Robin Williams discusses about the Red Sox game. I replaced that with the '83 World Cup, where Johnny Lever is telling the story to Shah Rukh, how he gave away his flight ticket to stay in Mumbai airport with his to-be wife, and he spent at the airport watching the World Cup and enjoying every bit of it. There's there, and I have not regretted 18 years I've spent with the last 3 years. She was suffering from cancer. That entire movie is about choosing your regret, and I think that's the only thing we can do. There is no right choices. Just choose the right regret, and to get to that, you will have to make a lot of mistakes. And I guess what I'm trying to get at is it's okay. We are going to make mistakes, and one thing is for sure, it's unavoidable, and probably when the time comes, my emotions might outweigh my justification. That's something I cannot tell you today, or probably I can never tell you because after that, once again, thank you for watching. Stay safe, get vaccinated, and take care.